If there is one ingredient that has been used since ages for its health and beauty benefits, it is turmeric. It has been touted as one of the most widely used spices in India and China as it contains antibacterial properties and antioxidants. This ingredient can treat a number of skin-related issues, including inflammation, dark spots, under-eye circles, and many more. It also evens out the skin tone and makes it soft and smooth. Here's how you can use turmeric to obtain soft and clear skin. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of almond oil, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 3-4 tablespoons of milk. Method: take a small bowl and add gram flour and turmeric to it. Mix both the ingredients well and then add almond oil and milk to the bowl. Mix well until it forms a smooth paste. Apply this face mask evenly to your face. Let it dry for 15-20 minutes. Rinse it off with plain water. Pat your skin dry with a towel and then apply a moisturizing lotion to your face. Repeat this for a week. This mask not only helps delay the signs of aging, but also helps you get rid of unwanted facial hair. There are many other ways you can use turmeric to treat problems related to the skin. Here are some health and skincare benefits of this magical spice. 1. It works as the perfect anti-aging ingredient. Turmeric contains anti-aging properties, and this is the main reason that it has been a part of most beauty regimens. It is a great exfoliating agent, and is very helpful in delaying the signs of aging. To use it as an anti-aging face mask, make a thick and smooth paste of equal proportions of gram flour and turmeric. You can add raw milk instead of water. Apply this paste all over your body, and let it dry for some time. Wash it off with lukewarm water. While removing the dried turmeric paste, scrub it gently in a circular motion. This will promote blood circulation, and also help in removing the dead skin cells. 2. Turmeric is antibacterial in nature. Since it is an antibacterial agent, turmeric is very effective in healing cuts and burns. It helps in healing wounds and keeping infections at bay. 3. It helps control the growth of facial hair. Applying turmeric helps in slowing down the growth of facial hair, and if used on a regular basis, it eventually stops the regrowth of hair. You can use the turmeric and gram flour face mask to prevent the growth of facial hair. 4. It improves the elasticity of the skin. Turmeric contains many antioxidants that help to stimulate the growth of new cells and improve the elasticity of the skin. Apply it on a daily basis, and your skin will feel fresh like never before. 5. It cures acne. Turmeric powder helps in healing acne and acne scars. The easiest way to use turmeric to cure pimples is to mix it with sandalwood powder and rose water. Apply this paste on the pimples. It will heal them and also lighten the spots. 6. It lightens stretch marks. Stretch marks have always been a very common problem amongst women, and we are always in search of a solution that will help us deal with it. Turmeric can be very helpful in lightening stretch marks. All you have to do is make a paste of gram flour, turmeric, and yogurt and apply it on the affected areas. It will even out the skin tone. 7. It helps treat hair loss. Turmeric helps you deal with hair thinning and hair loss problems as well. Not only does it cure the infection and soothe the scalp, but it also eliminates dandruff. 8. Turmeric helps to heal cracked heels. Applying a mixture of turmeric and coconut oil on cracked heels can help them heal faster and make your feet softer and smoother.